The Yamaha R15 V4 is more than just a motorcycle, it is a symbol of style, speed, and innovation. With its roots deeply embedded in Yamaha's MotoGP heritage, the R15 V4 stands as a testament to engineering excellence. Its sleek and aggressive design demands attention, while its cutting-edge features deliver an experience that is both thrilling and practical. The sharp aerodynamic body not only enhances its visual appeal but also improves performance and fuel efficiency, making it a perfect choice for enthusiasts and daily riders alike. At the heart of the Yamaha R15 V4 lies a powerful 155cc liquid-cooled, fuel-injected engine with variable valve actuation (VVA) technology. This innovation ensures optimal power delivery at all RPM ranges, providing riders with seamless acceleration and unmatched performance. Whether cruising through city streets or pushing the limits on highways, the engine responds with precision and power. The inclusion of a slipper clutch further enhances the riding experience by reducing the effects of sudden downshifts and improving stability, especially during aggressive cornering. The Yamaha R15 V4 boasts advanced electronics that set it apart from its competitors. A fully digital LCD instrument cluster provides all the necessary information at a glance, including speed, gear position, fuel efficiency, and more. The bike also features Bluetooth connectivity through Yamaha's Y-Connect app, allowing riders to stay connected with their smartphones for call and message notifications, as well as maintenance alerts. These smart features make the R15 V4 a modern companion for tech-savvy riders. Safety is a top priority in the Yamaha R15 V4. It comes equipped with dual-channel ABS, ensuring controlled braking even in emergency situations. The advanced braking system, coupled with radial tires, provides superior grip and stability on various road conditions. The inclusion of traction control further enhances safety by preventing wheel slippage during sudden throttle inputs. These features give riders the confidence to push their limits without compromising safety. The design of the Yamaha R15 V4 is a blend of aesthetics and functionality. Its bifunctional LED headlight not only adds to its aggressive stance but also ensures excellent visibility in low-light conditions. The sculpted fuel tank and aerodynamic fairings not only enhance the bike's sporty look but also improve rider comfort by reducing wind resistance. The split-seat design, paired with clip-on handlebars and rear-set footpegs, ensures a sporty yet comfortable riding posture. The Yamaha R15 V4 is built on a lightweight delta-box frame, known for its rigidity and balance. This frame provides excellent handling and stability, making the bike agile in city traffic and confident on twisty roads. The suspension setup, which includes telescopic front forks and a rear monoshock, is tuned to absorb bumps and maintain composure on uneven surfaces. This combination ensures a smooth and controlled ride, whether you're commuting or exploring winding roads. For those who crave performance, the Yamaha R15 V4 introduces features typically found in higher segment motorcycles. The quick shifter, available in select variants, allows clutchless upshifts, delivering a seamless and exhilarating acceleration experience. This feature, combined with the bike's aerodynamic winglets, ensures stability at higher speeds and makes every ride an adrenaline-pumping experience. The Yamaha R15 V4 also stands out with its vibrant color options and striking graphics. Whether you choose the racing blue, metallic red, or dark night variant, each color scheme highlights the bike's aggressive and dynamic design. These color options allow riders to express their individuality while enjoying a bike that looks as good as it performs. Long rides on the Yamaha R15 V4 are as enjoyable as quick city sprints. The bike's ergonomics are designed for comfort without compromising its sporty character. The seat is well padded, and the riding position strikes a perfect balance between aggression and practicality. These features ensure that the R15 V4 can handle both spirited weekend rides and daily commutes with ease. The Yamaha R15 V4 redefines what it means to ride a 150cc motorcycle. It combines performance, style, and technology in a package that appeals to both novice riders and experienced enthusiasts. Its racing-inspired design and advanced features make it a true standout in its segment. With the R15 V4, Yamaha continues to set new standards for innovation and excellence, offering a bike that is as thrilling to ride as it is to admire. Owning the Yamaha R15 V4 is about embracing a lifestyle of speed and sophistication. From its cutting-edge engineering to its attention-grabbing design, the bike is a reflection of Yamaha's commitment to pushing boundaries. Whether you're a fan of long highway cruises, spirited cornering, or simply making a statement on the road, the R15 V4 delivers on every front. It's more than a motorcycle, it's a gateway to freedom and adventure. Please like and subscribe my channel so you never miss any updates.